Alright, this is gonna be a trick. It's first I'm gonna show you. That's what it's supposed to do. And now it's gonna be breaking it down. First thing, hardest part. Rule for me. It's palm squeeze. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Just push down with this with your middle finger, just like that. And then you go, basically like the Bond. You just flick it open. Mine's not filled yet. And then you do that. After you do this, put your ring finger down and middle finger squeeze over, so it's like this. Pinky out, ring finger right there, middle finger, index finger, and thumb over here, and you go like this. So you have that. Then you flip it over. Mind you, it's still lit like this, and then flip it back, and you can either go like that or like that. And that's my Zippo trick.